Hello and welcome to another update video about the PYTH network. Let's take a look here at the chart. We're still dealing with, I think, a fairly bullish structure here, which suggests a 1-2 setup completed in March, early March, 5th of March. And this here is another 1-2 setup. And as long as the support zone is holding, expectations are for the wave 3 here to reach $2.78 or higher. And possibly, possibly higher. It depends on how in wave 3, the subwaves, which you can see here, circle waves 1 to 5, how extended they get. So, you know, if circle 3 extends quite a bit, then obviously circle 5 would extend as well, and with it, the larger degree third wave. So there is still plenty of upside potential and also potential for extensions, because extensions often occur in third waves and can also occur in third waves of a third wave. Yeah. So the next wave up should be a very aggressive part of the trend. However, there is currently no indication that the correction in wave 2, in circle 2, is complete. Let's zoom in a little bit. Here you can see the structure. We've got 5 waves up into the March high, which was the $1.16 level. And the idea is now that wave 2 could be unfolding. Okay, so if wave 1 is finished, wave 2 is unfolding now. The exact pathway of this correction is a little bit ambiguous. There are different ways how this correction could unfold. As I often say, you know, more important than the actual micro count of this correction is to understand what are the relevant support levels. And I think they are very, very clear on this chart. The support levels are defined between 81.4 cents and 56 cents. So there are additional support levels to watch at 73 cents and 65.5. In addition, we have some Fibonacci extension levels, but they are not so reliable because the exact subwave structure isn't so clear. But there are additional levels to watch between 80.5 cents and 66.8 cents. So it's the region between the 100% extension level and the 161.8 extension level of the A wave in that correction. Yeah? So I've already talked about this potential triangle that could be unfolding here, I think a week ago or so. So it sort of is still constrained by these triangle trend lines. Yeah, that's a bit tricky because it doesn't really look like an Elliott wave triangle at this stage, but it's possible that, for example, wave B unfolds as an Elliott wave triangle, which is why I've got the B wave with a question mark here. Yeah. The main takeaway is that at the moment, the chart hasn't given us any indication that the third wave to the upside has already started to unfold. I'm talking about circle wave 3. No indication at all. The movements to the upside are all corrective. So I prefer a dip into the support region, which is well defined, before the third wave to the upside starts. However, a break above circle wave 1, above that high at $1.15, would suggest that the circle wave 3 is already unfolding. So that would be the confirmation level that needs to be broken for me to consider that, okay, circle 3 is already unfolding. And I gave you the targets in the beginning. However, you know, because there is absolutely no evidence that some kind of an impulse to the upside is starting, I would have to assume that we test the yellow support region again, which is also pretty much in line with the Bitcoin count. Yeah, and it's just important that the 56 cent level is holding to maintain the overall perspective that a third wave is, you know, should unfold, because any break below the 78.6 retracement level would indicate that something more bearish is going on. Okay, so but in this wave 2 correction, we have to give the price the space, possibly all the way down to 56 cents. Okay, so don't worry so much about the microstructure. It really isn't clear. That doesn't mean I couldn't give you a count. I can, but the problem is I can give you a lot of different counts. Okay, I can give you here a lot of different counts, and that won't help anyone. So it's possible that this was the A wave down, absolutely. Maybe the B wave topped, absolutely. And we're now coming down in wave C, possible. Maybe it's a WXY structure, possible. Maybe the B wave is still unfolding, maybe even as a triangle or as a larger flat. All of that is possible. So it's pointless to really, you know, try to label this, especially this is not clear, this microstructure. Again, it doesn't mean I couldn't recognize structures. I can. It's just that too many are possible in this particular scenario here. But that's not so important, because it's important not to trade the counts, but the levels that they reveal. I already gave you the breakout point to the upside, and I provided you with the support levels that are relevant for pullback traders. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.